Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI Nova 8i and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. So first, just you can open the notification bar and here tap to the Wi-Fi icon. Okay, if you want to turn it off, you just can tap it again. So that's the first way. The second way is just go to settings and here tap the Wi-Fi. Just here click to the Wi-Fi switcher and now you can see that the Wi-Fi is turned on. So now you can see the available networks, all of networks, and you can choose, for example, one of these. I'll go in with this one and now just type here the password. Okay, here you get the eye icon. You can tap here if you wanna see your password. And now just tap to connect. So as can you see, my device was successfully connected to this network, and that's it. If you want to turn it off, just tap again to the Wi-Fi switcher. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.